the intro and verse, we have C over G, going to C over B, A minor, and G. For the C over G, you take a standard C chord and lift the third finger up to the low E string at the third fret, and then put the pinky finger on the third fret of the A string. Now we're in 3/4 time here, so we're going to be strumming down, up, down, up. That's 1, 2, and 3 times. Down, up, down. For the C over B, we only need 2 fingers, second finger, second fret of the A string, and first finger, first fret of the B. This finger's actually going to mute the D string as well, so we don't really hear that whilst we're strumming this chord. And we got down, up, down, up. Again, strumming's actually going to be the same for the entire song. And then we go to a standard A minor chord, down, up, down, up. And then we go to a G major chord. I like to use a third, second, and pinky finger here rather than going to a standard G, just because the transition back to that C over G chord is a little bit easier from this G shape. So C over G, down, up, C over B, A minor, G. There's also a little bass run if you want to add it. It would be C, which is the third fret on the A string, up, down, up to the B, second fret on the A string, up, down, up, A, which is the open A string, up, down, up, and then a little run, dum, 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 third fret on the low E, open A, second fret on the A, and then back through. And that would sound like this. For the chorus, we go to an F major 7 over C chord, which sounds harder than it is. If you take your C over G chord and just drop down fingers 3, 4, and 2, a string set to third fret on the A, third fret on the D, and second fret on the G. We also have first fret on the B still. That is an F major 7 over C chord. Same strumming for 2 bars this time. Down, 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 up. Back to the C over G chord. Down, down, G chord. Down, down. So F major 7 for 2 bars. C over G 1, G 4. We'll repeat this 3 times. Through is D minor for 1 bar, down, down, E minor for 1 bar, down, down, F major 7 over C for 2 bars. And we're going to take the second finger off and kind of do like a partial bar across the G, B, and E strings with the first finger here. This is an F minor chord, and we've got just a single strum and leave it to ring for 2 bars before we go back through the verse. So the whole chorus is that F major 7 over C. C over G, G, B, and a third time, D minor, E minor, F, single strum on that F minor chord, and then we're back into the verse. For the mid-8 section in the song, we're going to start with a D minor chord for 2 bars with the same strumming, to a G chord, again for 2 bars, C over G for 2 bars, then an F major 7 over C for 2 bars, and we're going to repeat that 3 times. So D minor, G, C over G, F major 7 over C, second time, third time, we go D minor twice again, back to the G, we do change here, we go A minor, 1 bar, G 1 bar, F major 7 over C for 2 bars, and then the F minor chord, single strum, left ring for 2 bars. So the last time through is D minor for 2 bars, G for 2 bars, A minor to G,